Let us learn about some naturally occurring acids. Table 2.3. Natural source acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid, orange citric acid, tamarind tartaric acid, tomato oxalic acid, sour milk curd lactic acid, lemon citric acid, ant string methanoic acid, nettle string methanoic acid. You have two solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and pH of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of these is acidic and which one is basic? Answer: A with pH equal to 6 is acidic. B with pH equal to 8 is basic. A has more hydrogen ion concentration. Question number 2. What effect does the concentration of H plus aqueous ions have on the nature of the solution? Answer: if a solution has higher concentration of H plus ions, it is more acidic in nature. Question number 3. Do basic solutions also have H plus aqueous ions? If yes, then why are these basic? Yes, basic solutions also have H plus ions, but they are basic in nature due to more number of OH minus ions. Question number 4. Under what soil condition do you think a farmer would treat the soil of his fields with quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or slacker lime, calcium hydroxide, or chalk, calcium carbonate? Answer: when the soil is acidic in nature, the farmer should add quicklime CaO or slacker lime CaOH twice to make it neutral. In the previous sessions, we have seen the formation of salts during various reactions. Let us understand more about their preparation, properties, and uses. Family of salts. Activity 2.13. Write the formulae of the salts given below. Potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, and ammonium chloride. Identify the acids and bases from which the above salts may be obtained. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals are said to belong in a family. For example, sodium chloride NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salts. How many families can you identify among the salts given in this activity? Recall the neutralization reaction. When an acid reacts with a base, there is a formation of salt and water. Look at the table. Here, the serial number, name of the salt, formula of the salt, and the parent acid and base from which it is formed or obtained is given. First one, potassium sulfate, K2SO4, parent acid H2SO4, parent base KOH. That is, when H2SO4 reacts with KOH, there is a formation of the salt K2SO4. Similarly, the remaining sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 formula, H2SO4, parent acid, parent base NaOH. Third one, calcium sulfate, CaSO4 formula, parent acid H2SO4, parent base CaOH twice. That is, when H2SO4 reacts with the CaOH twice, there is a formation of the salt CaSO4. Fourth one, magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, parent acid H2SO4, MgOH twice, parent base. Copper sulfate, CuSO4, parent acid H2SO4, parent base CuOH twice. Sixth one, sodium chloride, formula NaCl, parent acid HCl, base NaOH. Sodium nitrate, formula NaNO3, parent acid HNO3, parent base NaOH. Eighth one, sodium carbonate, formula Na2CO3, parent acid H2CO3, parent base NaOH. Ammonium chloride, formula NH4Cl, parent acid HCl and parent base NH4OH. Families of the salts. The name of the salts are obtained on the basis of the acid and basic radical. Here, on the basis of the acid radicals, that is on the part of the acids, salts are named as sulfate salts, carbonate salts, chloride salts and nitrate salts. Sulfates in the above table, K2SO4, Na2SO4, CaSO4, MgSO4 and CuSO4. Carbonates Na2CO3, chlorides NaCl and NH4Cl, nitrates NaNO3. On the basis of basic radicals or on the part of the bases, the above salts are grouped into sodium salts, potassium salts, calcium salts, magnesium salts, copper salts and ammonium salts. Sodium salts are Na2SO4, NaCl, NaNO3 and Na2CO3. Potassium salts A2SO4. Calcium salts CaSO4. Magnesium salts MgSO4. Copper salts CuSO4. Ammonium salts NH4Cl. From the above, we come to conclusion that salts can be grouped in different families depending upon the acid or base from which they have been obtained. Before discussing activity 2.14, let us learn about the different types of salts. On the basis of pH of aqueous solution, the salts may be of the following types. First one, acidic salt. These salts are formed by the combination of strong acids and weak bases. Their solutions have pH less than 7. For example, NH4Cl ammonium chloride, NH4 twice SO4 ammonium sulfate, MgCl2 magnesium chloride and AlCl3 aluminium chloride. The ammonium chloride is formed by the strong acid hydrochloric acid HCl and weak base ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. Similarly, all the other acidic salts are made from strong acid and weak base. Basic salts. These salts are formed by combination of strong bases and weak acids. For example, sodium carbonate Na2CO3, CH3COONA sodium acetate, RCOONA soap. Their solutions have pH value greater than 7. Next type of salts, neutral salts. These are formed by the combination of strong acids and strong bases or weak acids and weak bases. Their solution is neutral in nature, having pH nearly 7. For example, NaCl sodium chloride, NaNO3 sodium nitrate, sodium sulfate Na2SO4, K2SO4 potassium sulfate, CH3COONH4, ammonium acetate.